Weather forecast.
Hi everybody, welcome back and a good Wednesday evening to you as we take a look at our almanac for today. Beautiful blue skies right now. We had a lot of sunshine. That pushed our high temperature, believe it or not, up to 95 degrees. Seems like Corpus Christi is getting the hottest temperature in the entire area. You'd think inland would be a little bit more, but there's a few more clouds there. 97 is the all-time record. And the weather headlines, hot and humid through Sunday. That means 90 or above each day. A weak cold front comes in tomorrow morning and dissipates, will cause a stray shower or two. That's the only difference from yesterday and today to tomorrow. And then rain likely here Monday and Tuesday. This is with a big front producing much cooler temperatures with the daytime highs only in the 70s by this time next week. 70s for highs. That's going to be different for sure. Right now in Corpus Christi, we have sunshine and 90, southeasterly breeze at 16, and around the area temperature still in the 90s inland. We have 90 here too, with 87 in Flower Bluff and 86 over in Ingleside. And the wind forecast is showing a light breeze now, calms down overnight. In spite of that, we are not going to cool off very much because of the hot temperatures during the day today. A little bit of a front. The winds are already back out of the east as it washes out at 5 o'clock tomorrow, and the wind's only about 10 miles an hour. So now there's going to be a very hot day again for Thursday. Calm winds on Friday morning and a little bit more of a breeze here Friday afternoon, but not much. Certainly not what we were used to much of the summer. As we take a look at the satellite, we can see here that this is Carl, the tropical storm. We'll talk more about that in a minute, but that's staying down to the south and giving us sunshine. It's drawing the moisture out of our air, and we're not seeing much at all. There is a weak front up to the north that will eventually try to meander into the region before it falls apart tomorrow morning. Look at the dry air, though, so it doesn't have much moisture to work with. There won't be much rain. There is Carl, and again, you can see how it's been moving during the course of the day, but it's running into this wind shear. You can see how the winds are going from southwest to northeast, so that's going to cause us to turn around and go back south into Mexico and make landfall there by the end of this week. Take a look at the moisture in the atmosphere, and again, you can see that staying south. Very dry here until we get to Sunday afternoon, and then on into Monday, the rain really picks up across the region before very dry air comes in. So here's how it's going to shape up. A stray shower here tomorrow morning and into the afternoon, then sunny on Friday and Saturday and into Sunday. It clouds up, but then it really starts to rain here on Monday night and Tuesday, and some of that's going to be heavy before the cool air arrives. And with that, the rainfall amounts are going to get to the heavy side, running about 1 to 3 inches across the coastal bend with this front. So we are going to see some rain. It's going to have nothing to do with Carl. 93 tomorrow, 90. Lots of sunshine, breezy and hot on Friday, 91 Saturday, and 90 on Sunday, and then much cooler after that with highs next week in the 70s in the early part of the week and lows dropping down into the mid-50s here on Wednesday morning. Pat?